Today we're diving deep into the new release, Oppo Reno 14 Pro, a device that's rewriting the rules of smartphone photography and performance. So this is not a sponsored review, but I'll walk you through my comprehensive experience with this remarkable phone, exploring its refined design excellence, gorgeous display technology, groundbreaking AI-powered camera system, smooth performance capabilities, and exceptional battery endurance. With Oppo's latest innovations packed into every corner, the burning question is, does the Reno 14 Pro deserve to be your next smartphone upgrade? Let's find out together. But before we jump in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our cutting-edge tech reviews and exclusive content. First impressions are everything, and the Oppo Reno 14 Pro remains the design language of its predecessor, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. This gorgeous device strikes an incredible balance between elegance and everyday practicality, boasting an impressively slim 7.5mm profile and a perfectly balanced 201-gram weight that feels substantial yet comfortable during extended use. The construction showcases Oppo's attention to detail with a sleek aluminum frame and premium glass back that exudes luxury typically reserved for flagship devices costing much more. Available in two stunning colorways, the sophisticated titanium gray and the eye-catching opal white, each finish offered its own unique personality and visual appeal. The minimalist camera module design maintains clean aesthetic lines while housing some seriously impressive photography hardware that we'll dive into shortly. What truly sets this phone apart is its exceptional build quality combined with thoughtful engineering. With IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistant even in high-pressure water jets. The Reno 14 Pro proves that premium design doesn't have to break the bank, delivering flagship-level craftsmanship that rivals devices costing significantly more. When it comes to visual excellence, the Oppo Reno 14 Pro delivers an absolutely breathtaking viewing experience that will leave you mesmerized. The centerpiece is a gorgeous 6.83-inch AMOLED display featuring crisp Full HD Plus resolution at 1272 by 2800 pixels, delivering pin-sharp clarity and vibrant colors that pop off the screen. The display boasts a silky smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate with 240Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring every swipe, scroll, and tap feels incredibly responsive and fluid. Color reproduction is nothing short of spectacular, with 100% DCI-P3 coverage across natural, pro, and vivid modes, plus 1.07 billion colors, 10-bit support that brings content to life with stunning accuracy and depth. The brightness capabilities are equally impressive, reaching 1200 nits peak brightness, making outdoor visibility crystal clear even in direct sunlight. Protected by durable Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and featuring an impressive 93.6% screen-to-body ratio, this display maximizes your viewing area while maintaining excellent protection. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, gaming competitively, or editing photos, the Reno 14 Pro's display delivers an immersive visual experience that competes with the very best smartphones on the market. Let's talk performance, where the Oppo Reno 14 Pro demonstrates that you don't need the absolute latest chipset to deliver exceptional everyday performance. Powered by the capable MediaTek Dimensity 8450 processor, this efficient chipset delivers smooth, reliable performance for virtually every task you throw at it. The processor is perfectly complemented by 12GB of lightning-fast LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of speedy UFS 3.1 storage, creating a powerhouse combination that handles demanding applications, intensive multitasking, and large file transfers without breaking a sweat. Running on ColorOS 15.0, based on the latest Android 15, the software experience is refined, intuitive, and surprisingly bloat-free compared to previous Oppo iterations. App launches are near instantaneous, navigation feels buttery smooth, and the system maintains consistent performance even during extended gaming sessions or heavy productivity work. Whether you're playing graphics-intensive games or juggling dozens of apps simultaneously, the Reno 14 Pro delivers reliable, flagship-caliber performance that rarely shows signs of slowdown. It's proof that optimization and smart engineering can often matter more than raw specifications alone. Here's where the Oppo Reno 14 Pro truly becomes a game changer. Its revolutionary AI-powered camera system that's designed to make every user feel like a professional photographer. The versatile triple camera setup features a 50-megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture and 2-axis OIS, joined by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 116-degree field of view and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2-axis OIS, delivering exceptional versatility across every focal length imaginable. The real magic happens with Oppo's advanced AI photography features that automatically optimize every shot. Daylight photography produces stunning results with incredible detail retention, natural color reproduction, and excellent dynamic range that captures both shadows and highlights beautifully. The ultra-wide camera excels at capturing sweeping landscapes and group shots without the typical distortion found in competing devices, while the telephoto lens delivers sharp, detailed zoom shots that maintain quality even at extended ranges. The 50-megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus support captures magazine-quality selfies with natural skin tones and impressive detail. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with 4K recording at both 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second, plus advanced features like super electronic stabilization and HDR video recording. From casual snapshots to professional-grade content creation, the Reno 14 Pro's camera system consistently delivers results that will impress even the most demanding photographers. The Oppo Reno 14 Pro sets new standards for smartphone endurance with its impressive power management system. The massive 6,200 mAh battery easily powers through even the most demanding usage scenarios. This phone consistently delivers exceptional all-day battery life with power to spare for a second day of moderate use. The charging capabilities are equally remarkable and represents where Oppo truly excels. The included 80 watts super fast charging technology can rapidly restore your battery in record time, while the 50 watts wireless charging offers convenient cable-free power top-ups that match many competitors' wired charging speeds. This perfect combination of massive battery capacity and blazing fast charging eliminates battery anxiety entirely, keeping you connected and productive throughout your busiest days. The Reno 14 Pro's power system has you completely covered. Here's my comprehensive verdict on the Oppo Reno 14 Pro. This device represents a masterclass in balanced smartphone engineering that prioritizes real-world usability over spec sheet bragging rights. It expertly combines the reliable performance with a stunning display featuring 120Hz refresh rates, a revolutionary AI-powered triple camera system that rivals professional photography equipment, and an endurance champion 6,200 mAh battery with industry-leading 80 watts fast charging capabilities. At price of 2,599 dirhams in Dubai, the Reno 14 Pro positions itself as an exceptional value proposition in the premium mid-range segment, offering flagship-level features at a more accessible price point. If you're ready to elevate your mobile photography game while enjoying flagship quality performance, this device deserves serious consideration. That wraps up today's comprehensive review of the Oppo Reno 14 Pro. Drop your comments below and let me know if you're considering making this your next smartphone upgrade. If this review helped you make an informed decision, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest contents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out!